So if you want to install Java on Linux or actually any operating system, regardless macOS, Windows, it's actually the same process. It's just sort of different buttons that you have to press. So basically, the first thing they obviously want to do is you want to check if you have Java installed, right? So if you just type in either which Java, right, which usually will work. If it doesn't, then just type in Java. As you can see, it's not working, or Java -- version. As you can see, nothing is displayed, which just confirms that I do not have a Java installed. Okay, so what should you do? Go to your favorite browser, whatever that might be. And first thing they want to do is type in JDK. Do not type in Java because it is not going to work. As you can see, Java is the actual second result. Do not click Java. Make sure that you go type in JDK download. Go to Oracle, okay? Scroll down, make sure you're in the Java downloads. I will leave this website in the description down below just in case you cannot find it. And then go to Linux. I'm on Linux. Now, like I said, this actually is the same process on macOS or Windows. You just need to basically download the file and literally run it, right? Go to Debian. Now, most of the time, this will work on basically the Debian package will work. Just in case it doesn't, then you just need to Google what you need to download or literally just try any of these. One of these has to work, okay? In this case, I'm going to run the Debian, and the Debian will most likely work on all systems, right? It should at least. If you download this file, as you can see, it starts to download, and now I'm downloading the JDK26 file. Obviously, also make sure that you're downloading the latest version, which as you can see, the latest is JDK26, but there's also JDK25 and JDK21, right? Obviously, if something is not working, then you can always downgrade. Okay, now there is actually two ways to install this. The first one is using the command line. Most of you guys will probably not want to use the command line, which is absolutely understandable. However, I'll still show you how to run it. If you want to use the command line, make sure that obviously you open up in the folder, open in terminal, and type in the following command, dpkg -i and the file. So if you type in JDK and tab, this will actually install the file for you. Now, I'm actually not going to do that. I'm just going to show you the non-terminal way, just in case you do not like terminals. All we need to do is either double click it or just type in open with package installer. And this will actually install the package for you, right? As you can see, it says opening the package. So just give it about a minute and it should install it for you. There we go. As you can see, it says Java Platform Standard Development Kit, install package, put your password in, right? Which is a normal standard procedure. And there we go, it is actually installing it for me. In the meantime, you should drink some Monster or some coffee. And as you can see, JDK was actually installed. Wham bam bam, boom boom boom, very good. Right now, if I actually close everything, now you actually do need to do this. Open up a terminal. So if you just type in terminal, type in Java -- version. As you can see, it is actually working beautiful, which means Java is basically installed and you're ready to do whatever you want. Now, your question might be, how do I uninstall Java? Well, first of all, what we need to do is run a simple command, which again will be in the description down below. So the command that you need to run is this, okay? This is the command that you need to run. As you can see, I have JDK installed. And basically to uninstall this Java development kit or overall, what you just need to do is basically you need to auto remove. So if you type in sudo apt purge, right? And you just need to type in this basically dependence or this package basically, right? JDK -26 /now. And if you put your password, this will actually remove the package. There we go. And it's basically removing. Now, if you have more packages, then all you just need to do, for example, you might have something like this, especially if you've been programming in Java. You might have something like this, right? Sudo apt purge. And all you need to do is just put all the package names like this. So put your package name, space, another package name, right? And basically you just need to remove all of the packages with this simple command, and then Java will be installed. Let me do it again, Java version. As you can see, Java has been uninstalled, and that's how you uninstall Java, right? One bam bam, easy peasy. Yeah, thank you for watching and peace.